Ora my cousins, it's me, Buzz, and welcome to Te Tai Tokero, the far north of Aotearoa, New Zealand! I grew up here on the family farm. This is my brother John Boy. My dad Frank. And my mum Kim. Woo! Are you ready to come on some epic little missions with me? Mean! Hoake tātou. And today, I built a giant slingshot. I'm on a mission to level up my abilities. Level up! And have I got what it takes to win my first Waka Ama race?
Come on, Buzz, stay focused.
So 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 4 is 10. Carry the penguin home and it's safe. Oh, Cuzzies, you snuck up on me. Oh, come quick, I'm on a really exciting mission today. Today, I'm gonna build a giant pukoro. I'm gonna build a giant slingshot that can hit targets from all the way up here down to there in the paddock. This is gonna be amazing! Check out all the materials I've collected. Tuatahi, I have some latex tubing. I'm gonna use this as the elastic bands for my slingshot. Check it out, they're really stretchy. Tuarua, I have some really strong fabric. I'm gonna use this as the pouch for my ammo. Oh, speaking of ammo, what am I gonna use for ammo? Oh! I could use this swing set. Hang on a second. Nah. Oh, what about the tires? No. I could use this cone. Oh, maybe not. Ha-ha. Oh, maybe not. What's over there? Oh, what's in here? Aha! Tuatoru! I'm gonna use this poro as my ammunition. They're nice and soft too. Hey, I met someone called Ammunition before. I said, kia ora, I'm Buzz. And they said, ko am, oh. Tuafa! I will be using these buckets as my targets to hit. I've got 3 buckets. Tai, rua, toru. Ooh. Finally, I'll be using my old swing set as the foundation for my slingshot. Now all I have to do is build my pukoro and set up the targets. Hoake tātou. Ka pai! So first, I'm going to set up my latex tubing. I have 4 pieces of latex tubing. Now I'm going to feed it through our fabric. Check it out, my cuzzies. Oh, it looks like a jellyfish. Jellyfish, jellyfish. Okay, now to secure it to our swing set. Gonna tie this side right here. That's perfect. That's not going nowhere. All right, let's do the other side. Check that out! That's our slingshot! Okay, now to make sure our swing set isn't gonna move anywhere. Oh, that's gonna work beautifully. Kawanike. Now to set up my targets. All right, 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. Hara mai tētahi āhua. Fantastic! This is gonna be amazing! Waka! All righty, tighty! We are almost ready to fire our pukoro. The last step is safety. Slingshots are very powerful, so we need to make sure myself and anyone around me are as safe as possible when using it. The first thing I do is make sure no people or animals are in the way of the slingshot. Check! Oh, now what I do is I tell anyone around me that I'm about to fire the slingshot. Hey, Dad!
Hello, Buzz.
I'm gonna start firing my slingshot!
Okay.
Do you want to have a go?
Maybe later. Be safe, though.
Okay, let's do it, my cousins! Last but not least, I'm going to put on my lucky Mohiti Haumaru. Safety goggles! Ready to go! All right, my cousins, the first thing I do is load the ammo into the pouch, and then I pull back really hard and let it go. The elastic captures all the energy, and when I release it, the portal will go flying towards the target. Let's do it! Okay, if my calculations are correct, and they usually are, I need to aim right about here. All right, cousins, count down with me. Toru, rua, tai, tupu! Oh, tata, that was close. My calculations have deceived me. Oh, well, just a few little adjustments and I'm sure I'll hit the targets. Let's do it again. Take two. Go! Oh, that one was even closer. So close I could taste it. Come on, Buzz, you can do this. This one is for my tupuna. Look at what I have created! Me, Buzz, make big puko! Oh, Dad, did you see that? Yes! Do you want to have a go?
Come on, then.
Now, Dad, you need to be safe, okay? It's a lot harder than it looks. It actually took me a few times to get it right.
Listen here, Goggles. You don't know what my nickname is.
Is your nickname Slingshot?
Nah, bro. It's the man. Wait, Dad! I want to be the man too! $999,998, $999,999, 1 million. Like Millie. Oh, kia ora, my cousins. It's me, Buzz. And the guy here. Whee! And today, I've come down to one of my favourite places in Waipu because it's the perfect spot for my next mission. Today, I'm on a mission to upskill my abilities. Mentally, physically, spiritually, Bruce Lee. Let me show you how. Come on, my cousins. Check it out! This is my first whittle. I have to to make it from this side of the obstacle course all the way to the other side, using all of my tinana. Woo!
This is gonna be amazing.
Are you ready? Tai, rua, toru, karawhiua! Okay. Oh! 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 Down this side. Dismount. Hop. Cracked it! That one was easy. Now for the tightrope section. Okay. Careful. Ooh. Hey. Okay. Almost there. Almost there. Whee! Oh. Almost there. Okay. Ah! I did it! Now for the very, very hard section. Whittle! Here we go, Buzz. Oh. Oh, oh. Slowly. This is tricky. Focus. Focus. Whoa. Try again, Buzz. Oh, don't give up. Oh. Whoa. Balancing on this obstacle is really hard. I keep falling off. Kaka, Buzz, you can do this.
Whittle!
You got it. Whoa. Whoa. I did it! I knew I could do it! That's one step closer to leveling up my abilities! Let's keep going! Whee! Oh, yeah. Okay. Hoorah! I did it! Level up! Whee! Let's head to my next wero. Whai mai e homa. Whee! Burma Trail. That way. This wero is called the Burma Trail. It's a really long rope that goes all the way through the ngahere and then back to the top over here. For my wero, I'm gonna follow my taukaia all the way through the ngahere and back to the top with my eyes closed. Did I hear that right?
My eyes closed.
That's right, e te whānau. This wero is gonna challenge my hearing and my ability to feel my way through the course rather than see it. And just to make sure I don't cheat, I'm gonna do it blindfolded. Oh, it's dark. It's very dark. All right. Kia koe, Buzz. You got this. Let's do it, my cuzzies. Tahi, rua, toru, karawhiua. Is the rope? Here we go. Ka pai. Let the journey begin. Oh, what's that? It's just a knot. Nothing to be afraid of. Oh, I can hear some manu. This is amazing. Oh, I feel like because I'm blindfolded, all my other senses are so heightened. I can hear so much. I can hear manu, the wind. I can even hear the rako creaking in the wind. Whee! Oh, this feels like a lovely rako to rest against. Oh, all this leveling up my pukenga is exhausting, but super rewarding. Tēnā koe, rako.
Tēnā koe, Buzz. How's the whittle going?
Oh, honestly, I'm Harrit. But I need to keep going because I'm super close to leveling up again.
That's the one, Buzz. Kia kaha, kia maia, go.
Oh, tēnā koe, rako. Hey, knock knock.
Who's there?
Toit.
Toit who?
Toi tū te whenua. Still good.
Not bad. Oh well, hoake, Buzz.
Ka kite, rako. Okay, now where was I? We're on a whittle. Okay. Oh, we must be getting close to the end now. Oh, have I done it? Did I do it? Hoorah! I did it! Level up! Come on, my cousins, let's head to my final whittle. Whee! Hey, cousins, I'm here! Come on! Check it out! For my final whittle, I'm gonna be abseiling down this giant tuka and rock climbing up this giant tuka. Hey! Abseiling is a really cool way to go down a steep slope like a rock or a cliff. You have to be careful though, cuzzies. Our safety is most important. For this whittle, I'm gonna have to use all my instincts and abilities. Okay, let's get some safety gear on. Check me out! I have my safety shoes, I have my harness, my carabiner, my descender, I have my chalk bag and my portai maro, my helmets. Oh, I almost forgot. I have my instructor, Ian. Ah, hi, cousins. All right, let's do it.
Safety on.
Whoa, it's really high up. I think I'm a little bit nervous to do this whittle.
Oh, you'll be right, Buzz.
Come on, Buzz. You can do it.
Helmet check.
Check.
Harness check.
Check. Hair tied up.
My paho's tied up.
Check. Oh, mana. I never lost it. Yee. We're ready to go. Feet wide. Heels to the rock. Remember, cuzzies, this is an adults-only whittle. Never do this yourselves. Oh. Oh. I'm doing it. Woo! I feel like Tom Cruise in Mission Impossible. If he was Maori. Yeah, you made it! Whee! I did it! Amazing! Now I need to rock climb up this giant tuka. Oh, all I need is someone to belay for me. Oh, Ian, the man, the myth, the man.
Yes, Buzz! Let's do it!
Whee! Hey, Ian, Do you know much about rock climbing?
Rock climbing? I invented rock climbing. Name a rock. I've climbed it.
Pride Rock.
Yep.
A rock bottom.
Been there.
Oh, Dwayne The Rock Johnson.
Climbed it.
Oh, you are a professional. Let's do it. Hey, let's see if I can do it, my cuzzies.
Cuzzies, never go rock climbing without an adult helping you.
Come on, Buzz. Put my hand there, my foot there. It's like a puzzle. This is tricky. Made it halfway. Stay focused. Almost at the top. Poodle! I did it! Level up! I love my life! Oh, come on, cuzzies! I've got a really exciting mission planned today. I'm gonna have my first ever Waka armor race here at one of Aotearoa's most beautiful lakes, Lake Ngātu. Pretty mika, eh, my cuzzies? This roto was created by ancient sand dunes moving together to form a huge pit. Now it holds the waters of Lake Ngātu. Ātāhua. Come on, cuzzies. I have to head around the other side of the lake to find my Waka armor competitors. I think I found them. Oh, kia ora. Ko Buzz tōku ingoa.
Kia ora, Buzz, ko harata hau hongi hongi.
Oh.
Te he meri ora. Hoi no, kei Ngātu koe anei, ko ngā Ngātu Lakers.
Lethal. Tēnā koutou. So, are you ready to have a race? Let's do it!
Taihoa, taihoa, taihoa. There's a lot to learn before you get out there and give it a go. We've got two waka experts, Ngārui and Marara. They'll teach you how to be safe, how to paddle, how to give it a go. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Ko rite koe, Buzz.
I was born ready.
Alrighty, kaurua. He's all yours. Good luck, Buzz.
Kia ora!
Ai, Marika! What a beautiful waka! Hey, can you teach me about it?
This is the waka, the hoe. This is the kiato, the joinery of the waka. And this is the armour, the outrigger. And this is the type of waka that my tupuna used to use. But it's plastic, so it's easier to use. And these are the paddles, the hoist.
This is amazing! So am I ready to race now?
Hey. Taihoa, Buzz, that was only one part of your training. Now we need to get you fit before you even stand a chance at winning. Thinks he's ready. Kia ora.
Yes, Drill Sergeant!
Cue motivational music.
Let's work. Let's work. Come on. Let's work. Come on. Let's work. Come on. Let's work.
Give me 20 star jumps.
Are you ready to work? Let's work.
Hurry up and give me a lap right now.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Come on.
Koretake.
Get off.
True.
Can't look alive. It's time to practice. Don't
Did I say stop?
like a cactus. We got to climb this apparatus.
Give me 10 burpees.
Energized. I want to see determination
Down.
in your eyes. Go
Up.
crazy. Stay reserved. You need to be tough and take the hurt.
Can you like make a sound of a dog? Can you do a donkey sound? Okay. Can you do a beautiful bird sound? Can you do a cat sound?
Meow. Meow. Meow.
Let's work.
I think you're ready.
Remember your training, Buzz. Ai,
Kia kaha, Buzz?
Red flag, carry that! Hi!
go, Buzz! I might be able to beat them!
Go, Buzz! Go, Buzz!
Ah! Oh, you girls are amazing!
Kia ora, Buzz. Seems like the training paid off. If you keep trying, maybe one day you'll be able to beat the Ngātu Lakers.
Oh, my new friends are awesome! When I grow up, I want to be just like them. Hey, Ngarui, can I start my own waka group?
What would you call it?
Oh. Oh, Cuzzies, do you have any ideas? I've got it! The Mighty Cuzzies!